Oh, hi! Well, I guess this is just a quick update, but in the next few videos, I'll be doing a new group unboxing. Um, as I guess in my old videos, yes, I'm a glit. I'll be proud to say it. I'll stand on that hill. I'm a glit, militant glit even. But before that, I was a Mitzi, and I'm still am a Mitzi. And actually, the last group that I really got into before I went on a hiatus in 2019 was ITZY with Dala Dala and IC. And it just felt right, I guess, to tell everybody or any Mitzies here that I've started my album journey with ITZY by getting the recent one, the Tunnel Vision albums, two standard ones. And I've also gotten the standard versions of ITZY's Born to Be, the album where Pia was on hiatus. I have a few more albums on the way anyway. But I guess I just like to say that I'm so excited.